Hiya, this verb rabaa is one of the most useful verbs in Somali, if it's not the most useful one. And that's why we should understand it very well so that we can speak easily. For example, you're gonna say in Somali, I want some breakfast. Or maybe you are in a Somali shop and want to say, I want some milk. Then you should take your notebook right now. Our sentence structure is the subject, the verb want, and the noun at the end. Waxa Rabaa biyo. Waxa Rabaa biyo. We can also say, instead of waxa, aniga waxa rabaa biyo. But aniga is the helping pronoun of I. That's why in Somali we use waxa, and that's much easier. Now let's use this sentence, the rest of the Somali pronouns. Waxa rabaa biyo, I want water. Waxa rabtaa biyo, you want water. Waxaa rabtiin biyo, you want water. You, many people, group of people. Waxaa rabnaa biyo, we want water. Waxay rabaan biyo, they want water. Wuxuu rabaa biyo, he wants water. Waxay rabtaa biyo, she wants water. Now, you got it right? I think so. Waxa rabaa is I want. Waxa rabtaa is you want. Waxa rabtiin is you want. Many people or group of people. You plural. Waxa rabnaa is we want. Waxay rabaan is they want. Wuxuu rabaa is he wants. Waxay rabtaa is she wants. And if you want to say a name with want, just start with the name and use Wuxuu if it's masculine noun, and use Waxay if it's feminine noun. For example, you're going to say Abdi wants water. So you need to say first the name, which is Abdi. Then you have to use Wuxuu, which means he. Abdi Wuxuu. And then the verb want is rabaa. Abdi wuxuu rabaa biyo. That's water. So Abdi wuxuu rabaa biyo. If you're going to say maybe a feminine noun, Aisha, say first the noun Aisha, then use Waxay, which represents she. Aisha Waxay, and then rabtaa for feminine want. Aisha Waxay rabtaa biyo. That's how you use the verb want with one male noun or one female noun. And what about if you're going to use two names? Maybe Ali and Abdi want some water. Now, you're going to say the two names first. Abdi and Ali. So, Abdi, you're Ali. Use Waxay, which stands for they. Abdi, you're Ali, Waxay, rabaan. So, rabaa is I, rabtaa is you, rabtiin, human people, rabaan, they. So, Abdi iyo Ali waxay rabaan biyo. That's how you use two names with verb want. I think it's easy, isn't it? Yeah. Now, let's learn 5 nouns so that we can use with verb want. Remember, I will just make in a sentence 4 of them. The last one or the 5th one, you're gonna do by yourself, and it's your assignment. You can just do it on the comment section. No worries. So the first noun we're going to learn is qura'. Can you say after me? Qura'. Qura' with a at the end. Qura' means breakfast. The second noun we're learning is qado. Qado. Qado, which means a lunch. The third noun we're learning is asho. Asho. Not Asho, actually. So if you say Asho, looks like Aisha name, female noun. So say Asho, just one A, Asho. So that's a dinner, Asho. Qura', breakfast. Qado, a lunch. Asho, dinner. So the last one, which is for you, is la'ag. 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 Yeah. La'ag is money. That's how we say money in Somali. Sometimes you may hear peso, but that is not but that's not very useful. Lacag is very, very useful. Now, let's use those three nouns in a sentence. I'm going to say, I want a breakfast, then you, we, they, he, she. All right. Waxaa rabaa quraac. I want a breakfast. Waxaa rabaa quraac. Now you. Waxaa rabtaa quraac. Waxaa rabtaa quraac. You want a breakfast. Now, you want a breakfast. Maybe many people, group of people. So, waxaa rabtiin quraac. Waxaa rabtiin quraac. Waxaa rabtiin quraac. Now, we. Waxaa rabnaa. Waxaa rabnaa quraac. Waxaa rabnaa quraac. Waxaa rabnaa quraac. Now, they. Waxay rabaan quraac. Waxay rabaan quraac. Now, he wants. Wuxuu rabaa quraac. Wuxuu rabaa quraac. Wuxuu rabaa quraac. Now, she wants. Waxay rabtaa. Waxay rabtaa quraac. Now, we did the first noun, which is quraac. Let's do the second noun, which is qado. Maybe I want to say, I want a lunch in Somali. So I have to start first. Waxaa rabaa, that's I want, right? Waxaa rabaa qado. Now you. Waxaa rabtaa qado. And now the last one. If I want to say, I want a dinner, so I. Waxaa rabaa casho. You. Waxaa rabtaa casho. You, many people. Waxaa rabtiin casho. We. Waxaa rabnaa casho. They. Waxay rabaan casho. He. Wuxuu rabaa casho. She. Waxay rabtaa casho. Now, please do your assignment. What you're going to do is use the noun money with I want. I want some money. So you're going to say waxaa rabaa lacag, and then you, we, they, he, she. And inshallah, I will check anyone's comment and give a feedback. So if you read until here, I am pretty sure the lesson is very helpful. So please like my video and subscribe my channel so that I can grow more than this. And don't forget, I make 3 useful lessons every week on TikTok account so that you can go now and follow me. And you can be one of my 20k plus followers there. Thank you so much. Nabad Galio.